Today we invite you to Live Life Hospital, where we are conducting this bariatric surgery summit. Essentially, this is a program that is created to take care of the patients who have been refused in other centers across the nation, where they are perceived as very high-risk patients. Also, the patients who have gone through these procedures from other doctors and they're having problems with it, we have planned to revise all these operations. So in this context, we have invited Dr. David Provost. He is an executive council member in ASMBS, one of the highest bodies for bariatric surgeons such as myself in the United States. And he is here today and he's been with us for past 2 days. We have conducted some really complex procedures and glad to say very successfully. Here in the Live Life Hospital, this is the only unique and dedicated bariatric surgery center in India that is available today, and also an international center of excellence. Here we provide these bariatric surgeries at the highest quality and achieve the best results. Today in India, we're noticing obesity because of multiple reasons. There is excess food, there is lack of physical activity, choice of lifestyle, also changing jobs. A lot of software employees, BPO employees, business people, where they're strictly required to adhere to their chairs for like at least 10 to 12 hours in a day, and lack of physical activity and very high calorie food consumption. Besides this, there are two very unique conditions for Indians. One is a genetic mutation in RAS gene, which leads us to gain weight around the waist and the hip. And also, secondly, we have a highly developed hormone called ghrelin. This hormone not only makes us hungry and makes us eat more quantity and more number of times, it can also reduce our metabolic rate. So because of these two factors, we are noticing that in India, people are gaining weight around the tummy and the waist, and also are becoming more and more prone for diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, strokes, heart attacks, and multiple cancers.